This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know you can turn your passion for currency into a thriving business? Picture this, you mastering the Forex market, making smart moves and growing your wealth. Sounds exciting, right? Our new ebook, Forex Trading for Beginners, is packed with everything you need to start your Forex trading journey. Whether you're a complete newbie or have some experience, this guide breaks it down into simple steps. You'll learn how to understand the market, develop effective strategies, and manage risks like a pro. But that's not all. We've included real-world examples and expert insights to help you navigate the dynamic world of Forex trading with confidence. Imagine the freedom of running your own trading business, setting your own hours and achieving financial independence. With our comprehensive guide, you're not just learning to trade, you're building a future. So what are you waiting for? Grab your copy today and start your journey to Forex success.